Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 27th, 2021. Harmony One price prediction. One coin price continues to go up despite the overall cryptocurrency movement to the downside. Well, where can we see this price in Harmony One go now? You guys can see it. This currency is still in the uptrend, which is fantastic to see. We want to see, can that be sustained? We want to see if the price is going to continue to go up throughout the month of October, going into November. Well, guess what? You're at a great spot. You're at a great location. This particular channel is the spot to where we're going to give you all a price prediction as to where we think the price is going to go for Harmony One and even cryptocurrencies in general. If you guys want to learn more, if you guys appreciate our videos and the content that we are garnering, hit us up. Tap in, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We welcome everyone who values our content and who even wants to learn more about how to do this for themselves. So we look forward to you all participating and subscribing to this wonderful community of individuals. So check this out. Harmony One, you can see it. September the 10th was the last price prediction we did for this market. And we told you all at that particular time, say, hey, look at it. We don't see too much strength coming to the market in Harmony One, right? We even told you that this area right here in Harmony One is restriction. So be prepared for the market to come down right there around 20 cents, right? And did not the market pretty much act the same way? I mean, the market price in Harmony One right here on September the 12th, it tried to break out of that restriction area. Look at that. It tried to make a new a new area of support to where price can continue to go up, but immediately, look at it. The next day, the price came back down. It came right back down right there, 20 cents. So that tells us, hey, 21 cents. So it tells us that that is a very strong area of restriction. Now, let me give you this though. It looked like the market is going to try its head again and try another battle between the sellers up there around 21 cents going on into the month of October. It looked like that's about to happen. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price, but as you guys can see, we got it correct. The market did dip. The market did go down, right? No issues, no qualms about that. Pretty good price prediction, 18.33%. Cool. If you were to get out right now, that would be around 6.5%. All right, cool, done, over, finito, right? So now let's push forward. Let's see, because this market trend in Harmony One is probably one of the strongest cryptocurrencies today. A lot of cryptocurrencies, if you guys been following all of our other videos, have broken the upward trend, right? Well, Harmony One hasn't done that. This one's a little bit more stronger than those altcoins. So with that being in mind, with us seeing that, we can actually expect us to see a little bit more strength in this particular market than the other ones, right? We should. And as long as this trend is intact, we already know that Harmony One is going to continue to go up. So it's more or less like, okay, what would be a good spot for me to come in and ride the wave? Is 16 cents the spot? Is it 15 cents, 14 cents? Like, where will we need to jump on board and say, all right, cool, I'm in it for the ride. Let's take the ship up higher, right? Because so far we already know where the trajectory is. We're going to go up. As long as this price in Harmony One sustains this trend, we already know we're golden and price is going to go up. So let's do that. Okay. Now, not only was 21 cents being seen as restriction, we should have expected it because we saw the same thing happen back in March of this year. We're also seeing a closer area of restriction in Harmony One, and it's at 18 cents. That's a problem. Okay, that is a big problem. In order for us to see this price come back up to 21 cents, we got to overcome 18 cents first. We have to. And if we can't do that, then you already know, don't expect 21 cents to even be considered. Don't even think about it if we cannot break above 18 cents. So we'll have to make that determination on a wider time frame. So let's switch this thing over to the weekly time frame, and I want you all to see this. Look how we ended last week, right? The market price in Harmony One dipped. We saw the price come down, came in and hugged this ascending line and closed on the high of the bar. That is extremely strong, right? For us to see the price in Harmony One do that, kind of tells us that the market is trying to go somewhere, and it looked like it was to go up, right? So now, cool. We are starting this week already on weakness though. So we need to determine support. I'm seeing 16 cents, no lower than 15 cents, right? In order for us to have the prospect of the market in Harmony 1 to shoot up higher, it cannot go no lower than 15 cents or even another touch on our ascending line. We got to let the market touch that ascending line. If we break this ascending line to the downside, it's over. The price is going to continue to go down, right? So this ascending line is very important, very, very important for us to allow this price to go up in Harmony 1. Okay. Look at this on the 2 weeks time frame. This is the 2 weeks time frame. So it's kind of like a wash. The last 2 weeks in the market in Harmony 1 is what we term a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next 2 weeks, the market price in Harmony 1 will have to close higher than this last completed 2 week price bar. So it's kind of like a waiting phase. We're trying to see whether or not the strength is going to be able to overpower the weakness to allow the price to continue to go up. So it's kind of like a waiting stage. Okay. Now let's do this. Going to switch this back over to the daily time frame. All right. And we're going to expect the price to go up in Harmony 1. Okay. No lower. I said 15 cents, but let me bring it down just a tad. Okay. Bring it down just a tad to around 14. All right. 18 cents will be the first area for us to eat off the market. We need to take some profitability off the market right there around 18 cents in Harmony 1. That's about 8% market profitability right there. Now, I'm still going to expect this price in Harmony 1 to try to come up here to 21 cents. Now, I'm not going to be extremely bullish into the market in Harmony 1. I don't want you all to perceive that. But this market in Harmony 1 is exhibiting a little bit more strength than some other altcoins in the space. And we're going to continue to play the market going up in Harmony 1 based off that notion. All right. So now we're going to expect this market to go up in Harmony 1. 18 cents is first. Next area for us to see the market tag to take TP will be around 20 cents. Okay. So this is it. We're looking for the price in Harmony 1 to go up. You know, this is what our call is. Now, I want to know, what is your call? What are you calling in the market for Harmony 1? Because the market can only go 3 ways. It could go up, it could go down, or it could just trade sideways. Those are the only 3 options we will always have in the markets. We can't get nothing else out of it. So out of those 3 directions, what are you noticing? What are you seeing on the price chart? Let me know. Drop the comment in the comment section right now and tell me, what is your price prediction for Harmony 1? Are you on the same page as we are, or are you seeing something totally different? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.